بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents. And my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your science class. Do you like your science class? Very good. Let's start our studies. Do you know, students, what is the name of our first unit? Can anybody tell me? Very good. This is Unit 1, the human body. And we are still on Unit 1. So, first of all, we will see what we have studied in our previous classes. Let's recall. Yes, students, in the previous lectures, we have studied that there are names for all the parts of the body. Can you see? There are names for all the parts of our body. And we have different body parts that do different things. Yes, very good. We have studied that we have different body parts. Can you see? There are so many different body parts, and these all different body parts have different functions. Can you recall the names? Yes, read with me. What is this? What is this, students? Very good. Ear, nose, mouth, chest, stomach, thumb, knee, toe. Are you reading with me? Very good. And then eye, cheek, chin, arm, finger, and here it is hair, neck, shoulder, elbow, back, hand, leg, foot. Very good, students. Okay, dear students, first of all you have to open page 3. This is page 3. All of you open it. Hurry up. So students, on page 3, our first line is each part has a job to do. Each part has a job to do. Very good. Are you reading with me? Let's read again. Each part has a job to do. As you all know that we have studied that every body part has a job to do. On page 3, students, you can see here it is a girl. What is she doing? She is having an ice cream and she is eating it. And what is written here? Let's read with me. Yes, we use our mouth to eat and speak. Let's read again. We use our mouth to eat and speak. Very good. This is mouth. This is mouth. And with the help of mouth, what can we do, students? We can eat and speak. Very good. With the help of mouth, we can eat and drink. We can eat and drink and speak. We can speak. Okay, students? So, this is the function of our mouth. Our mouth helps us to eat, drink and speak. This is the function of our mouth. Very good. Read it again. We use our mouth to eat and speak. Excellent. Okay students, now this is second picture. And what is in this picture? You can see that there is a boy who is painting. And he is sitting on a chair. And he is painting a picture. What is written here? We use hands to hold things. We use hands to hold things. Very good. Can you see this? This boy is holding a painting brush with the help of his hands. Okay students, we can see that this boy is holding a painting brush, and here it is written, we use hands to hold things. What is the function of our hands? We use hands to hold things. We can hold many things. We can hold a glass of water with the help of our hands, and we can hold our pencils, and we can hold a painting brush. Okay students, so what is the job of our hands? Our hands helps us to hold things. Very good. Let's see what is the next picture. Okay students, now this is our next picture. And what this boy is doing? He is running. This boy is running. And what is written here? We use our feet to run, walk, or move. What is written here? We use our feet to run, walk, or move. Students, with the help of our feet, we can do many things. We can run, we can walk, and we can move. What is the function of our feet? Our feet helps us so we can run, we can walk, and we can move. Run, walk, move with the help of our feet. Okay? And you also remember that we can use our legs and feet for running. We can use our legs and feet for running. For running, for walking, and for moving from here to there. Okay students? So there are so many functions of our feet and all are different body parts. As you can see, with the help of our mouth, we can eat our food. With the help of our mouth, we can eat our food, we can drink water, and we can speak with the help of our mouth. Very good students. And with the help of our legs and feet, we can run, we can walk, and we can move from here to there with the help of our legs and feet. And students, with the help of your hands, you can hold this pencil. Can you hold this pencil? Yes, everybody can hold this pencil with the help of their hands. So, what we have studied today? Let's recall. We have studied that each part has a job to do. We use our mouth to eat and speak. We use our mouth to eat and speak. We use hands to hold things. And we can hold things with the help of our hands. And we have also learned that with the help of our feet, we can run, walk, or move. with the help of our feet. We can run, walk or move. So we have studied today that every part of our body has a different job to do. Okay students, I hope you have understood today's lecture. Now this is your homework time. Okay students, now read carefully. This is your homework. What you have to do, write any 10 parts of your body, any 10, okay students, in your notebook or any page. You have to write any 10 parts of your body, okay students, in your notebook or on any page, and then you have to share your page or notebook in your WhatsApp group, okay students, and there your teacher will check your homework. Thank you so much students for watching today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.